Sure. Flybridge Capital is one of the, we think, leading venture capital firms based in Boston. We manage about $600 million, very active in the early stage company formation, company creation end of the market. And there are 5 partners, and we've invested in close to 70 companies.
Great. Can you give us a sense of when you say early stage, what the profile might look like?
So, and it's changed over the last number of years. Today, a typical early stage investment may be as little as a couple $100,000 and literally backing 2 guys and a dog in a garage. A decade ago, that might have looked more like $3 or $4 or $5 million to start. But in both cases, we aspire to invest up to $12 to $15 million behind any of our entrepreneurs. So we view ourselves as life cycle investing. But given some of the dynamics in the market today, entrepreneurs, when they start out, just need fundamentally less capital. And so we service them as our customers, and so we're investing, what we're observing is we're investing to start actually quite a bit less capital than we would have, say, a decade ago.
So is the nature of that changed? Is it considered a seed round, or is it no longer a seed round? It's really a first round of professional funding. It just happens to be at
that's an excellent question. The lines between seed and Series A have blurred a little bit. We will make a dozen new investments in any given year, and half of them, plus or minus, will look like a seed round where our co-investors will be angels, and that's a recently new phenomenon. And together we might invest $750 to $1 million. And what's remarkable is how far that will now take companies. That may actually fund them for a full year of product development and team building. Whereas a Series A may look more like a $2 to $5 million investment. The way we think about seed investing is it looks more like an experiment. You're funding to some very specific milestones. If it's in the consumer internet, does the product, is it being well received in the market? Are you seeing interesting adoption? Whereas a Series A is beginning to fund commercial ramp, so it presumes that there's some success, that the seed experiment has
grown.
Yeah.